Hello, my name is Daniel and I came today to Dentalworld to get the teeth whitening. I was given several options. I chose the Zoom whitening to do today, and although it wasn't much fun sitting in the chair for an hour, it was successful. I think my teeth are nice and white now. The staff were lovely and considerate and clearly gave me all the options and the prices and the effects. So very happy with my treatment today. This is about the fourth time I've come to Dentalworld. Previously I came for a crown, and that was about 2 hours work, and although it wasn't easy to do, the dentist was very professional, very dedicated, and he worked very hard to do it, even though it was a very difficult procedure. And although it took 2 hours, afterwards it was sensitive, but that only lasted for 2 or 3 weeks, and now the sensitivity is gone and the crown feels good, and I was very happy with the work and the professionalism of Dentalworld. Another time I came for a filling, and again it was a brilliant job. Everyone was very helpful and caring and professional, and I've always been happy with Dentalworld's work. I originally came to Dentalworld and chose them out of all the dentists in Chiang Mai because they had a very good reputation. They were recommended. I looked on Google for comments, and they were all positive, so I've only got good things to say about Dentalworld, and I'm very happy with their care and their work and the kindness they've showed me. So thank you.